Engineering managers are bleeding money every single minute their lines are down, and procurement is exhausted from certification delays. I'm Clive. Today, I'm cutting the BS and showing you exactly how we engineer high precision manufacturing risks. Let's get into it. First off, supply chain uncertainty. Factories promise the moon, but when a critical part fails, the downtime costs are astronomical. Problem isn't just making the part, it's making it right the very first time. We don't just run machines, we engineer the entire process upfront. By locking in our toolpaths and validating every critical dimensions in-house, we eliminate the guesswork. You get bulletproof parts and your line stays running. Let's talk complex geometry. Witness lines on aero profiles aren't just ugly, they compromise fatigue life. When standard toolpath stops and starts, they leave marks that ruin the geometry. Our fix? Full simultaneous 5-axis sweeps. We keep the tool engaged seamlessly and the result is a glass smooth finish. Straight off the spindle, zero hand polishing, pure surface integrity. Exotic alloys and hardened steels, they chew up expensive end mills and cause thermal distortion. You can't just guess the feeds and speeds. We apply scientific machining principles. We'll dial in the adaptive parameters and neutralize cutting forces that manage heat. Okay, so we laugh at rock hard steel because our process controls the thermal stress. No broken tools, no warped parts. Batch roulette. The first article is perfect, but halfway through the run, dimensions drift into scrap. Dimensional drift is the silent killer. It usually comes from uncontrolled electrode wear and thermal shifts. We lock in the process parameters, whether it's 5-axis milling or precision EDM. We neutralize the variables, dead nuts consistency from the first cavity to the last. Machining is only half the battle. If you can't prove it, it didn't happen. We don't just run hope and its spec. We run rigorous in-process and final inspections, and when the part hits our Zeiss CMM, we generate undeniable, auditable data. That's how you breeze through FDA and aerospace certifications. Most factories just cut metal. We engineer the transition. We take your messy prototype CAD, optimize it, lock in the scientific process, and scale it without losing a micron of precision. We don't just build parts, we build supply chain resilience. If you're tired of supply chain headaches, drop your CAD in the link below and let's get to work.